Ever wondered why your wrist aches after long work or gaming sessions? Today we reveal the top 6 ergonomic mouse pads that can transform comfort and performance. Stay tuned to discover the best picks that protect your hands and boost productivity. I've linked these must-have products in the description. Grab yours there. On number 6 is Gimars Superfine. What if one simple accessory could quiet your daily wrist aches and make every click feel effortless? The Gimars Superfine ergonomic mouse pad does exactly that with its soft, slow rebound memory foam wrist support that keeps your hand aligned and eases the pressure most standard pads ignore. A real game changer in the world of ergonomic mouse pads where comfort truly matters. Its generous 11 by 8.26 inch surface gives more room to glide compared to smaller contenders, and the superfine lycra fabric tracks movement smoothly without slip thanks to a sturdy rubber base. Some users note the foam softens over time, but many still feel relief during extended work or gaming sessions, making this pad a practical pick alongside other well-rounded ergonomic mousepad options. At number 5 is EooCoo pad. Many users suffer unnoticed wrist strain every day before they realize a quality ergonomic pad can change everything. That's exactly where the EooCoo pad shines, built to ease pressure with a soft memory foam wrist rest that gently supports your hand, helping reduce fatigue during long work or gaming sessions. Smooth lycra surface lets your mouse track accurately, while the non-slip PU base keeps the pad stable, no drifting when you need precision. Compared to other options in the top 6 ergonomic mousepad lineup, some users find the cushioning a bit soft and long-term durability mixed, but many praise the comfort boost right away. If your wrist has been tired or sore before, this pad delivers a noticeable relief that makes computing feel easier and more natural. At number 4 is TECKNET Ergonomic. Brace yourself. Your wrist might be screaming for help long before you notice. That's where the TECKNET Ergonomic mousepad with wrist rest steps in, offering a thoughtful ergonomic tilt and memory foam support that eases pressure during extended work or gaming sessions, a solution many ordinary ergonomic mousepads overlook. Its built-in massage design helps reduce arm fatigue and improve airflow, while the spacious surface and non-slip PU base let you glide smoothly without unwanted shifting. Compared with other contenders in the top 6 best ergonomic mousepad category, some may find the memory foam softer than expected, but daily users often appreciate the relief this pad brings to tired wrists and long hours at the desk. On number 3 is MEKASS PU Base. Most people don't realize how much tiny movements with the mouse add up to daily wrist strain until they try real ergonomic support. The MEKASS PU Base ergonomic mousepad brings relief with soft, high-density memory foam and a gentle slope that eases pressure during long work or gaming sessions, answering a key pain point many face before buying wrist-friendly gear. Its smooth lycra surface lets your mouse glide accurately, while the non-slip PU base keeps the pad securely in place, even when compared to other popular ergonomic mousepads. Some users note it's slightly compact for larger hands or mice, but most appreciate how it noticeably reduces discomfort. If persistent wrist fatigue has held you back, this pad delivers approachable support that makes long desk hours feel lighter. At number 2 is Hokafenle Ergonomic. Ever wondered why your wrist starts aching halfway through the day? Even with a quality mouse, the Hokafenle Ergonomic mousepad steps in with a clever massage bump and slow rebound memory foam slope that feels like a gentle lift under your wrist, softening strain many regular ergonomic mousepads overlook. Its smooth lycra tracking surface lets your mouse glide with accuracy, while the PU non-slip base grips your desk so it never skates around during intense use. Many users report noticeably less wrist fatigue during long sessions, though a few mention that the raised texture and larger size take some getting used to. In a lineup of top 6 ergonomic mousepad picks, it stands out by blending comfort and control for everyday work or gaming. Now moving to the last one is MROCO Ergonomic. Imagine your wrist feeling lighter with every click, not just for a minute, but for hours straight. The MROCO Ergonomic mousepad surrounds your wrist with soft gel support that genuinely eases strain many people don't even notice until they upgrade from a basic surface. Its super smooth lycra fabric surface ensures accurate tracking with wired or wireless mice, while the non-slip PU base keeps the pad firmly in place during focused work or gaming sessions. Compared to other picks in the top 6 ergonomic mousepad category, this one's comfort can truly make long hours at your desk feel less tiring, though some users wish the size offered a bit more room to roam. Whether you're tackling spreadsheets or marathon builds, this pad brings a noticeable sense of ease to everyday use. The winner here is MROCO Ergonomic, and here's why you should consider buying it. Its soft gel wrist support genuinely reduces strain during long computer or gaming sessions, making everyday tasks feel noticeably easier. The smooth Lycra surface provides accurate tracking with wired or wireless mice, and the non-slip PU base keeps the pad firmly in place without shifting. Users praise its comfort and stability, and it's often ranked highly among ergonomic mousepad options with excellent value for money in reducing wrist discomfort. So guys, this was the video about the top 6 best ergonomic mousepad. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.